Hello, my name is Dean Lohman. I'm from Oregon in the United States, and I came here to the medical center, the Joshua Hernia Medical Center, because Dr. Lim's revolutionary new 3D surgery for hernioplasty. Hernioplasty is a surgery for hernia. I had an Engel hernia, which is a bulge, a tear in the intestinal lining, and then you get a bulge in your groin. There are many different types of hernias, but for this type of hernia, Dr. Lim has developed a surgery method that is far superior, that does not need or use the mesh, which is problematic for many reasons. The other reason that I came here to the Hernia Center in Taipei, Taiwan, is because Dr. Lim was educated in Albany Medical Center in New York and has improved on the latest techniques of surgery for hernioplasty. The other consideration is it's very affordable here in Taiwan. I won't put out a number because I'm sure James, who is very adept at English and very helpful, will fill you in on all the details. But anyway, I found the surgery to be very professional, and now I'm 5 days after the surgery. I feel very well recovered. I can move around very truthfully. There was some pain involved because I had two fissures, openings in the intestinal wall, and it was a bit more elaborate, although it didn't cost any more than originally thought. So to sum up, I'm very happy with it. I would recommend this particular procedure because it does not require mesh to be put into your body, which is a foreign substance. There's a bunch of lawsuits in America and around the world about mesh implants, and they have a 10% failure rate or more. And this particular procedure also has the advantage of local anesthetic, no general anesthesia. It does not require a catheter, which is very painful. Believe me, you don't want a catheter. And recovery is very good. Okay, happy trails, and good luck to everybody that's looking for state-of-the-art surgery with minimal complications and a high success rate. This is the place that you want to be.